Welcome everybody to Codegarden Week. We are so excited to have you here, and as you can see, this is not your typical tech conference.
The Friendly CMS puts on one of the friendliest events. What makes this event special is the community. It's you.
We're sitting here with Marina, listening to...
Where's the eject button in this thing?
Westbrook, you've just done your talk. How did it go?
Went like this. The crowd and the audience is just really, really amazing.
We are here at our Thursday special evening event. As you can see, I'm getting totally ready with my face painted. We have some really fun and weird and wonderful things happening at this event, just like our social activities.
We don't use the word networking at this event, by the way. It's only friend making.
Jason, this is not your first Codegarden. Have you made any new friends?
Absolutely.
Have you made any new friends? I have, and I'm sitting with them tonight.
Magic things happen here at Codegarden. Welcome to the Codegarden 2024 Awards.
And the winner of Best Cloud Solution 2024 is...
Yeah, we love Umbraco, and I'm incredibly proud to be up here.
Congratulations, everyone.